Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. In previous video, we will discuss the types of a matrix. In previous video, we have to discuss three types of a matrix. In this video, we will continue the types of a matrix. The fourth type is unit matrix or identity matrix. The definition is if each non-diagonal element of a square matrix is equal to 0 and each diagonal element is equal to 1, then that matrix is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. Identity matrix means the given matrix is a square matrix. We can take the matrix of order 3 by 3. This is a square matrix. First condition is square matrix. This is okay. And next, each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is equal to 0. The non-diagonal elements, these are the diagonal elements. Here in 3 by 3 matrix, we have 3 diagonal elements. The other non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, and also the diagonal elements are equal to 1, then this matrix A is called unit matrix or identity matrix. If a matrix is called as identity matrix, then that matrix is a square matrix and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0 and diagonal elements equal to 1. Then only this matrix is called as the unit matrix or identity matrix. In previous type, third, scalar matrix. In scalar matrix, the same 3 points are there. First, given matrix is a square matrix, and second one is non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, and the third point is different from scalar matrix to unit matrix. In scalar matrix, the third point is non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal to each other only. But in unit matrix or identity matrix, the matrix is a square matrix and non-diagonal elements are also equal to 0 and the diagonal elements are equal to 1. Then only the matrix is said to be unit matrix. If this is B, this is 2. If I am assuming, then this is not a unit matrix. If one of the diagonal elements is not equal to 1, then we say that is not a unit matrix. This is a 1. And unit matrix is denoted by the letter capital I. Here we have the order is 3, capital I3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is I3. Similarly, I2 equal to 1 0 0 1. These are the unit matrices of order 3 and unit matrix of order 2. We denote the unit matrix of order n by in. If the order of a matrix is n, then this is denoted by in or simply or I. This is also equal to simply or I when there is no ambiguity about the order. Okay. Aij n by n is a unit matrix if and only if Aij equal to 1, if I equal to j, and Aij equal to 0 if I is not equal to j. This means in IN matrix, the letter are in the form A11, A12, and so on, A1n, A21, A22, and so on, A2n, and so on, AN1, AN2, and so on, ANN. In diagonal elements, these are the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements means in IN matrix, the diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33, and so on, ANN. In any square matrix, the diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33, and so on, ANN. These are all the diagonal elements. For unit matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 1. This is that. Aij equal to 1. Here I equal to z. That means 1 1 I equal to z. 2 2 I equal to z. 3 3 I equal to z. Then this is the simplification form. Aij equal to 1 if I equal to z. Aij equal to 0 if I is not equal to z. If I is not equal to z means non-diagonal elements. The non-diagonal elements equal to 0. This definition in the simplified form is this. If Aij of order n is called a unit matrix, if and only if Aij equal to 1 if I equal to z, and Aij equal to 0 if I is not equal to z. This is the unit matrix. Next, fifth type is null matrix or zero matrix. The definition is, if each element of a matrix is 0, then it is called a null matrix or zero matrix, and it is denoted by the letter OM by N or simply by O. Null matrix. Null matrix means nothing but all the elements in a matrix are equal to 0. In null matrix, it is square matrix or not. Is any cases, if null matrix means all the elements of a matrix is 0. If either it is a square matrix or not a square matrix, that is not a problem. If a matrix is said to be a null matrix, all the elements of a matrix are equal to 0. This is not a square matrix, but this is a null matrix. This is a square matrix, but this is also a null matrix. If a matrix is said to be a null matrix, then all the elements in the matrix are equal to 0, then that matrix is now called as a null matrix or zero matrix. And this is denoted by the letter capital O of order M by N or simply O. Next, sixth type is row matrix and column matrix. Definition is, a matrix with only one row is called a row matrix or row vector, and a matrix with only one column is called a column matrix or column vector. First we discuss row matrix. This is one matrix. In this, these are the rows. These are the columns of a matrix. If we call a matrix as a row matrix, then that matrix have only one row. So many columns. That means A equal to AB. This is a row matrix because A has a single row, one row, two columns. Columns does not matter if a matrix have the one row. This is called a row matrix. If we have, this is also a row matrix. These are the only one row. Then we have this as row matrix, and also A, B, C, D. This is also a row matrix. Row matrix means if a matrix have the only one row is called a row matrix. In the same way, a matrix have the only one column, that is A, B. One column is called a column matrix. A matrix have only one column but so many rows, and this is also a column matrix because this is a single column also, and A, B, C. This is also called a column matrix. Row matrix means a matrix have single row is called a row matrix, and column matrix means a matrix have the single column is called a column matrix. Next type of a matrix is seventh one, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix means a square matrix capital A equal to Aij is said to be upper triangular if Aij equal to 0 for all I greater than j, and A is said to lower triangular if Aij equal to 0 for all I less than j. In triangular matrix, we have two more sub-triangular matrix, that are upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. First we discuss upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular, you mean this is you. Upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means if a triangle A equal to Aij, Aij is said to be a upper triangular matrix if Aij equal to 0 for I greater than j. For example, A equal to, we have the order 3 by 3. Square matrix of order 3, we can take A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. This is a general form of a triangular matrix. If this matrix is said to be a upper triangular matrix, we have the condition is that Aij equal to 0 if I greater than j. I greater than j. I greater than j means j is lower than I. I is the bigger numbers. That means in diagonal I equal to j, then these are not taken. If upper triangular or lower triangular is based on these three elements or these three elements. If upper triangular means Aij equal to 0, I greater than j. I greater than means I is the highest numbers. That means A21, A31, A32. These three elements follow this condition I greater than j. A21, A31, A32 all are equal to 0. Then only A3 is called a upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular means a square matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix if A is equal to 0, I greater than j. That means lower non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. That means A3 equal to A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. This is called a upper triangular matrix. That means the lower non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Then only this matrix is called a upper triangular matrix. Next, lower triangular means the upper non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Then this matrix is called a lower triangular matrix. That means A12, A13, A23 is equal to 0. Then is called lower triangular matrix. That means A11, 0, 0. Here A21, A22, 0. A31, A32, A33. This is called lower triangular matrix. If we can say a matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix, then a square matrix of lower diagonal elements, lower non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, then we say that this is a upper triangular matrix, and a square matrix is said to be a lower triangular matrix, then upper non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, then this matrix is called a lower triangular matrix. That means upper triangle means A is equal to 0 if I greater than J, and lower triangle means A is equal to 0 for all I less than J. These are the types of a matrices. The types of matrices are 7 types are given in this chapter. The first type is square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal to or same, then that matrix is called a square matrix. Second matrix is diagonal matrix. Third matrix is scalar matrix. Fourth one is unit matrix. Fifth, null matrix. Sixth, row matrix and also column matrix. And finally, seventh matrix is triangular matrix. These all types are most important for further procedure in the matrices chapter. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.